there's gonna be no water coming off the waterfall. Can you believe that?
Which waterfall?
The first one. Well, we're here at Hocking Hills. We finally made it, and this is right outside of Logan, Ohio. So we're getting ready to go to the lodge and try to figure out the trail system, which is online on the app. Warning cliff area. People have died here. Swimming and wading prohibited. Oh, yeah, people have died here. From what I've read, all these trails are one-way trails, so we're going to try to do this one and a few more today. She may only do one. So as we start, it's already starting to look beautiful, but there's no water coming off the waterfall. So normally there would be a waterfall right there, but I guess it's been so dry lately that there's not water. We're not even in a half a mile, and it's this beautiful. So not only is there a devil's bathtub in Virginia, there's a devil's bathtub in Ohio. That's some yucky water. They've not had rain probably in a while. So I guess this would all be underwater normally. So we are a half a mile in, and I am blown away because it's hard to believe this is in Ohio. This is something that looks like it should be.
How that's done on that rock.
Ooh. That is the nastiest water you could possibly get in. She's like a kid. Oh, I didn't even see those earlier. This is some crazy. So this was formed by glaciers. One of the coolest bridges I think I've ever seen. Is it pretty neat?
Yep.
That is cool.
She got scared. Ooh, what do you think? That's not cool.
So we've decided not to do that because there's so many people up through there, so we're just going to continue on to the lower falls and do the loop. A lot of steps. Yep, you got a waterfall that's normally right there. This reminds me of the Fiery Gizzard Trail with the cliffs and the creek. Almost identical. We got here at 9:30, 10 o'clock, and it wasn't crowded yet, but there are people everywhere. Once we got on the Whispering Cave Loop Trail, it's been quieter, but the Old Man's Cave Trail was nuts. Kids everywhere. It's a short trail, it's easy walking. This one's more like you're gonna see in the mountains. It's beautiful though. This rock is huge. So normally the water would be all through here. And of course you can see there's just a little trickle. Legend, not legend, I guess people claim to see Bigfoot in this area, which I could see. Get out here in the middle of the night, hear sounds you don't normally hear, and I'm sure things, your mom plays tricks on you. Hang on a second, do that in a minute. All right, review so far at 1.5 miles in.
I like it. It's beautiful.
Very, very neat. Some wild geological formations.
That big crane.
I know there's, so is that where Bigfoot lives? So you know why it was called Old Man's Cave?
An old man lived?
Yes, an old man lived in there. We can come early. So at the end of, or when we get down to where the loop cuts around, you can go that way to Cedar Falls, this way to Whispering Cave, which we're going. This begins the two-way traffic, but Melanie wanted to show you guys this suspension bridge. Kylie did not want to go on the suspension bridge, which honestly it's probably a good thing she didn't, because it is movie. So here you have the honeycomb weathering on these rocks, which is we just crossed the road on the Whispering Pines loop, and it's not a trail like you would see right near the visitor center or the lodge. It's more of a hiking trail. Getting ready to cross the road for the second time.
Come on, baby. This way. Get a little bit more energy.
Definitely, if you're wanting less people, the Whispering Pines loop, or the Whispering Cave loop. So even though there was no water coming out of the waterfall, it was still beautiful. Would you recommend?
Oh, absolutely.
This is a beautiful, beautiful place. We're getting ready to be getting close to 4 miles, and we've climbed quite a bit.
Yeah.
Mine don't say elevation gain. Yeah, it does.
377.
Yeah. So anyway, we're getting ready to be back at the loop, but we did the Old Man's Cave loop. We did not go up the Old Man's Cave because it was getting crowded at 10 o'clock in the morning. They say it's
okay.
Wall to wall, but
Tomorrow will probably be better because everybody will be back at work and school, but we're on vacation.
Yep. So definitely do this. I think we'll try to do Ash Cave tomorrow. maybe Kunkel's Hollow. But Kylie will not be going with us.